welcome in to another woolly review. Scheepjes Softfun. Now this comes in 89 colours. Neons, brights, pastels, darks, and a couple of surprising ones as well. 89. Don't tell me you can't find the colour that you need. 89. This is 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, recommended size for hook, and it is a DK weight. The colour of this one is forest. Now granted, it doesn't show as well on the camera as it is in real life. It looks a lot more what do you call it? Oh my gosh. It looks like it's got blue tones in it on screen. It doesn't at all. It does come... Now the thing is with this is part of the Woolly Wednesday giveaway. And so I can't do a full swatch with it. But I will be very, very careful and do a half swatch. So on the Beany it goes. Now the cheapest place I found this at the moment is Lind Hobby for £1.88, which is a big difference compared to where I found it everywhere else. So let's work up a swatch, and I've already messed it up. That's really clever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There we go. So we start with a row of single crochet. Can't really do a centre pull and do the Beany at the same time. It just doesn't work like that. Lisa, you've got to use your brain sometimes. Okay. So as a general rule, I kind of like Scheepjes, but I've never used anything bar 100% cotton. And one skein of 100% acrylic. So to have a cotton acrylic blend, it will be interesting. And what I didn't say, of course, feeling this, you can feel the spin of the yarn. You can feel that, but it's certainly not rough. You can feel it, it's not rough. Let's carry on. Sorry. Getting distracted. It feels quite nice in hand, between fingers. It's gliding on the hook very nicely. Let's chain 2 and do row 2. I wouldn't say it's got the best stitch definition, but it's okay. Let's go in for a row of half doubles. And in the background you can see a few stitch markers. To the left, the hanky markers, which are a staple. And off in front of my calendar, another couple of stitch markers. There are over 100 on my Etsy store, along with crystals and earrings and pin badges. If you care to go and have a nosy, the link is down in the description below, under all the details for this yarn is a row of blue hearts, and underneath that blue heart row is the link for the Etsy. So third and final row, let's do double crochets all the way along. Yep, feeling nice in hand. Not bad at all. Again, I can feel the twisting on the... It's not twisting. I can feel the way the yarn is twisted into its form. I can feel the twist. And of course, if you haven't entered the Woolly Wednesday giveaway, you better be quick, because next Wednesday we're drawing. So there we have it. There is our swatch. Not too bad, not too bad. Very nice, very nice. Feels ever so slightly like it's got a mercerized sheen on it. Bad. Okay, let's see what the frog does. Froggy taking a walk. Da 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 da. Nah, need a moped. Fair bit of kinkage. There's definitely kinkage. But we'll give it a wind up. Very, very, very slight stretch on it. Like bare minimal. I'm going to put that back in there. They will never know. Well, until they see this and then they go, oh, that's why. Okay, so Softfun Scheepjes. What are we going to give you? Are we going to give you one and say, oh, heck no, just never ever again? Well, of course we're not. Are we going to say, well, I'm not amused. It's the only thing you've got and I'm desperate for a DK acrylic blend? No. Would I be happy with having that in my top 10? And, well, if the other DK acrylic blend isn't there, well, that will do. Well, yes, but let's push it. Would I be, woohoo, that's in my top 3. Oh, I love it. You definitely haven't got the substance right. Okay, then I'll take it. I'm going to go with a 4.5. And the reason why I'm doing a 4.5 is because there's a fair bit of kinkage on there, which is a bit of a bugger. On top of that, the usual price for this is really expensive for a 50-gram ball, which this is. Yes, it feels nice. The amount of colours on it is just, it's mind-boggling. But yeah, price-wise, the actual price when not on offer anywhere is a little bit too steep for a little pauper like me. So I'm going to turn around and say we're knocking half a mark off, and Scheepjes Softfun gets 4.5. So there's this week's review. What did you make of it? Have you tried it before? If you haven't, would you? Let me know down in the comments below, and maybe while you're down there you might think of subscribing. And at the end of this video there will be a chance to enter Woolly Wednesday if you haven't already. All you need to do is click on the video and off you go. So hopefully I'll see you next week. Take care. Goodbye.